Hey everybody, my name is Rachel. I am the graphic designer and illustrator here at GreenStalk. We've just launched our 2025 issue of the GreenStalk magazine, so come along with me and we'll show you a little bit of behind the scenes of how it was made. So my favorite piece to design in this issue was the piece about pressed flowers. We took flowers from our beautiful planters that Susie grew for us, and Kaylin, our customer service manager, pressed them all. And so I took some of my favorites and scanned them in to the computer, and then I went through and I masked them all so that I could use them in the layout. I've been with the company for about 3 years now. I've basically designed the box, all of the instruction manuals, the stickers, every little bit of printed material that's inside the box. I also work on just other promotional graphics and illustrations. We've worked really hard on this magazine for the past few months. This year, we've got a loose theme for the magazine of seasonality and seasons. So we've tried to gather a lot of diverse stories of people in different seasons of their life through transitions, as well as gather a lot of stories on how to store your produce throughout the year. We've also got some great content about growing flowers in a GreenStalk and how to preserve your flowers, as well as some wonderful seasonal recipes that you can try with your harvest. So we start planning for this magazine 6 to 8 months before our desired launch date. It starts with a bunch of team meetings. Everyone at GreenStalk is welcome to sit in and contribute. So we brainstorm for a while to nail down the kind of stories we want to produce, the kinds of gardeners we'd like to feature, and then we just go out and gather that content, get some great writers to write our stories. I can be inspired by pretty much anything. I will go on Pinterest some, I will go to a bookstore or the library and just look at all of their different magazines, gardening and home magazines, cookbooks, anything to kind of get the creative juices flowing. So I'm just really excited for people to read about everything. We've worked really hard as a team to put this issue together. We've had a lot of talented writers contribute. Another one of my favorite stories that we did was all about our sweet potato harvest. Those grow really well in a GreenStalk, and I can't wait for you all to read that story. To go along with that, the team wanted to have a recipe for how to use sweet potatoes. And I have a great recipe for a sweet potato casserole that I make every year for Thanksgiving. It is my absolute favorite Thanksgiving side dish, and I'm always asked to bring it whenever I go to Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm very excited to share that with all of you. It feels so great to hold the finished product in my hands after almost a year of work. The whole team put in so much work, and I am so proud of the product that we've produced. Well, thanks for coming along with us as we talk about behind the scenes of the GreenStalk magazine. The 2025 issue is available now online at greenstalkgarden.com as a printed version or a digital download.